What's up guys? We are back with the latest Samsung news. Samsung is working on a transparent see-through smartphone. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, subscribe to this channel will be phenomenal. Now, let's start the video. So, Samsung has been making some moves. In the Patreon games lately, we have a transparent see-through Galaxy smartphone design explained. It seems like Samsung has their eyes set on what could be the next major breakthrough display design innovation in 3 to 4 years. The patent shows a phone that is fully functional with a see-through screen. Samsung describes that this phone is rocking an OLED display with an additional transparent layer that allows for a see-through experience. This transparent layer plus OLED combo can be a flat screen, or a edge screen, or it can be a folded screen, even rollable. Samsung further explains some details and dynamics, and every single product the Samsung has launched has been independent in some shape or form, so something like this could actually happen in 3 to 4 years time. As always, if anyone can pull this off, it's Samsung. Anyway, what do you guys think about it? Do let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you like this video, subscribe to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Gotta let you say, 'cause I fuck it up. So appreciate I could pick it up.